The Korean won continues to slip against the greenback. Today, it fell to the lowest level since January 2017. With the U.S. economy going strong, this trend could last a while longer. Hye-sung helped us look beyond the numbers.
South Korea's won fell to a 27-month low amid a rally in the greenback. The won slid around 0.4% on Friday to close at 1,170 to the dollar. The local currency has continued to depreciate in recent months due to weakening economic data. Exports declined for 5 consecutive months, and GDP growth in the first quarter contracted 0.3%, the biggest drop since the global financial crisis. Analysts say it wasn't just a weaker economy that pulled down the won, but a stronger dollar too.
The U.S. Federal Reserve's comments played down the possibility of a rate cut in the near term. U.S. GDP growth remained strong at over 3% in the first quarter, sapping the appetite for risk and pushing the dollar up. Also playing a role was a weaker Australian dollar due to lower than expected building approved data, a sign of slowing economic growth.
In April, the Korean won fell 2.8% against the U.S. dollar, falling by the biggest margin among the G20 countries after Turkey. With the U.S. expected to post strong non-farm payroll data Friday local time, analysts say the dollar will strengthen at least in the short term, further weighing on the Korean won. Hye-sung, Arirang News.